Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw ho sa ating lahat uli, no? It is a biggest contributions of our work every day, now and then. Mga kaibigan, isang magandang tanghali ho sa lahat. It's around 12:27 PM of October 14, 2025. Just we came here in our home, in our house. It's around 11 o'clock, 11:55 AM, because we are just from our seminar. We are so busy in our schedule because afterwards we turn over our work as a radio operator. We have a lot of busy schedule. So mga kaibigan, I am just here to discuss all about the things what would happen yesterday and kaninang madaling araw. So ito po yung nangyari mga kaibigan. There is a lot of calls that need to be answered, that needs to be discussed, all the things that we have. Mga kaibigan, ito po ang nangyari. Just a reminders for the private sector, the private citizens out there, no, yung mga civilian ho natin. Ito lang po yung paalala ko sa inyo. Police stations is not a lodging house. It's not all about it's not all about that you can doon kayo matulog, including yung family ho ninyo. Kasi ganun yun ang nangyayari. First of all, there is a force na pinalabas sila sa apartment na kanilang tinitirahan, which is the rental. So I hope so for those who are yung mga nagpaparent ng bahay, ng mga kwarto, you need to follow a certain rules of regulations under of the Rental Act in the country. So madaling araw na, malalim na ho ang gabi, pinalabas ninyo, that is a violations. You should to have a humanitarian concern that the persons are hindi na kaya bumayad, ipapaubaya na lang ninyo, no? Because ako naman po yung nagpaparenta rin. And then before I put into records that isiseminar ko daan, no? First to reiterate the Rental Act of the Philippines. Yung mga renters natin, there is a privilege. There is a rights to rent, no? So those the Rental Act in the Philippines. Basahin ninyo. And then kayo naman po yung nangabang should be na kailangan ho natin our obligations, duties and obligations should to pay on time. Kasi kawawa naman po yung nagpaparent ng bahay, nagbabayad ng kuryente, tubig, including yung bahay na pinatayo na, hindi naman yun sa inyo. So, kayo rin, marunong din kayo mag-isip. Should to thank ating bayad na karon, ganun. Hindi na, wag ninyo paaabutin pa ng matagal. Should be, kailangan kung may extra money ho kayo, habang kayo nagre-rent, mag-a-advance kayo. And then, there is advancement, then advance pa rin kayo. Kinakain na ho ang advance, kinakain ng deposit. Anong gagawin sa may-ari? Di pahawaon jud mo. Ang mali lang kay gipahawa mo og gabiing dako. And then ito lang ang anuhin ninyo. Ay sige gagi. Ito lang ang anuhin ninyo. Kanang dili bot pasabot, the stations of the police. Dili gyud na siya lodging house. Masuko pa mo. Manong dili pwede diha matulog. Asa man mo kakita diha na natulog? Ang natulog diha na ay kaso, na ay gifailan og kaso. Station should be dili na siya lodging house. Nadadon lang inyong mga gamit diha. Dili kay ang pulis mangita og asa mo patulugon. No? It is not the duties of the police. The police can assist you, but the police will find the shelter or anything para sa inyo. Hindi po yun tama. police officer can do everything in order to help the people of the country. Because our duties and responsibility is to serve and protect the people against those harm. But pag sasabihin nun ninyo, anong bang gagawin namin? Wala kaming magagawa. It should be to assess if there is available mobility in the station. Masuko pa ka, it is not good to the station. Nganong dili magpatulog, asama mo kakita nga ang istasyon daga na magdasok na diya. Oh, di ba? Dili na siya pwede. That is against the protocol or the standard operating procedure of the operational procedure of the PNP. Ang habang na may natutulog dyan, sa mga presuhan na yan, may reklamo yan. Bawal kayo dyan pagsamantalang tumira. It is not designed for lodging or in. Period. Kahit saan kayo magbasa ng batas, wala ho yun. Kung hindi ka gunggong, kung hindi tayo gunggong nga mag-isip, huwag ninyong gagawin ho yun. Police station should be to design to accept any claims and to help the people of the country. Not to doon kayo to sleep a night, a day. There is a lot of yung mga obligasyon ng mga by section dyan. Lahat ng kwarto dyan, may section yan. Mayroong sa police clearance, mayroong sa ganun, lahat ng dyan. Sama-sama pa kayo. Mag-isip na kayo kung saan kayo tumira. Di ba? It is not the duty of the police. Ano ibig sabihin niyo? We are a working of the government. Also, as a public employee to serve the Filipino people. But, in order to find your comfort and your shelter, hindi po yung tama. It is not the work of the police. It is your obligations. That's not the one of the most sa police. The police can make to save you. So that's why I will send you a mobile for your comfort. Oh, 'di ba? Galit siya sa akin, guys, kasi di daw kumutabang. Kasi di mo tabang. Alangan magpatulugon ta mo sa stasyon. That's not against. That's not all about humanitarian. It's all about the standard procedure. Nabawal ho kayo tumulog doon. Period. Mayroon pang tumawag kagabi. Loko-loko pala ito. Di ba? Loko-loko. Babae. Gusto niya pagwagwardyahan yung bahay niya sapagkat raw maraming kumakatok. Siya pala ang may katok sa kanyang utak. Kasi raw yung sa Chris Inn at saka yung business dito sa Tagum, 20 million daw niya, hindi daw ni-release. Hindi pala tayo gunggong nito kung bakit tayo sasabay sa mga taong ganun. That is organically, mentally disorder. Ngayon, nagtitik sa ating superior officer. And I said to our superior officer, sir, that is a mentally challenged individuals. I hope so you can understand on it.